Good morning. Here's a live look up at Bogus Basin. Take a look at those clear skies up there, but look right here. What looks like water is actually clouds. This is the inversion. So above the inversion are the sunny skies. Below is the cloudy conditions that we're seeing here in the valley, along with that stagnant air. We still have an air stagnation advisory. Why, hello there, in effect until Saturday morning, and that is for the area shaded here in this gray color, and you can expect poor air quality throughout those areas, so if you do have any breathing issues, take the appropriate precautions if you head out. Now here's a look at what's happening out there. This low pressure system will be bringing warm air along with wet weather to the area, so we're going to see those PM showers really early on Thursday morning through the day on Thursday, and we could even see some go into the day on Friday. But taking a look at Futurecast, here's how things will start. We might start at a snow rain mix in some spots in the higher elevations as we move through the early morning hours tomorrow. And snow will start around 4,000 feet in elevation and rise to around 7 as the day goes on. So right around 10 o'clock, that's when those higher levels will be seeing mostly snow. And we will be seeing some rain or a mix here in the valley. But the higher elevations, not much expected, maybe 3 or 4 inches in some spots, but not a whole lot of accumulation is expected. But we'll see those spotty showers be the case again. Triggering all that moisture. This very active weather pattern is impacting not only us here in Idaho, but also pretty much all of the Pacific Northwest, where we see periods of valley rain and mountain snow, and those snow levels are 4,000 feet and higher in elevation. Now here's Futurecast. Here's this afternoon at right around 2 o'clock, just to the west of Boise. You're going to see some rain just to the south of Ontario, snow rain mix in some spots. As we move it along right around 3:45, we'll see some rain here in Boise. The rain snow mix to portions of the north and east, and snow for our friends in the mountains. And that'll be the case really the day tomorrow and Wednesday for our friends in the mountains. And here in the valley, we can see a spotty shower tomorrow as well as today on Wednesday. But unfortunately, no snow is expected here in the lower elevations. But here is what's expected in the higher elevations. We're under a winter storm warning until 3 o'clock today for Stanley, Ketchum, Copper Basin, Sun Valley, Galena. 2 to 5 inches of additional snow is expected until 3 o'clock today. And now for our friends in the west central mountains, that includes spots like Cascade, McCall, Big Creek. They're under a winter weather advisory starting tomorrow evening until Wednesday evening. Those snow levels 4,000 feet and higher in elevation. The valleys could see 4 to 6 inches of additional snow, and the mountain peaks could see up to 16 inches of additional snow. Here's a look at downtown Boise as we take a look at our extended forecast. That PM rain today, but overall mostly cloudy day today with a high of 50, 51 tomorrow. In 47 on Wednesday, we'll start to cool down as we head to the latter half of the week, and we'll dry out as we head to Thursday through the weekend, with temperatures dropping to the low 40s under partly cloudy to sunny skies. We'll be right around average for this time of year, just a little bit above. Normally, we're at 38 degrees. Let's turn it and take a last look at weather this morning. It's an important weather day because it is Thanksgiving. You might be heading out to drive to your destination, but there's some impacts that you should know about before you head out the door. Yeah, we're seeing some fog in some spots, but Caldwell there at Indian Creek Plaza is not one of them. Looking pretty clear as fog is concerned out there, but we are seeing some cloudy skies. Current temperatures outside across the region look like this. We're 33 in Boise, 37 in Nampa, 39 in Ontario. Mountain Home is 24 degrees and it's 33 degrees in McCall. Let's take a look at those weather advisories, or that weather advisory. We have a dense fog advisory in effect for the upper and lower Treasure Valley until 10 a.m. this morning. Some spots could see down to a tenth or a quarter of a mile of visibility this morning, so be careful if you are hitting those roads this morning. Here's a look at some of that diminished visibility. Down to a quarter mile here in downtown, 0 miles there in Nampa, 9 miles in Mountain Home, 2/4 of a mile in McCall, and 4 miles in Ontario. And again, that's in effect until 10 o'clock this morning. Now here's a look at Futurecast. Here's right now a mix of clouds and fog throughout the Treasure Valley. That will move through the day today. Might see a spotty shower here or there in portions of the area, but overall the next big chance of some showers is tomorrow. Here's tomorrow around 6:15. You'll see some showers in portions of eastern Oregon. That will be moving to the east, and we could very well see a scattered light shower around Ontario, and our friends in the mountains could see some snow as well. But then we'll transition to a mostly sunny to partly cloudy weekend. All right, here's a look at your extended forecast, but look at the difference between Caldwell and downtown, where we're about a quarter of a mile of visibility. Here's a look at your extended forecast. We're going to see, once that fog clears, a partly cloudy day with a high of 52, 47 tomorrow, mostly cloudy to partly cloudy over the weekend with temperatures in the 40s. And by next week, we'll see a sunny day on Monday, but then clouds return on Tuesday and Wednesday with temperatures in the low 40s.